What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to change the avatar in the Xempire application. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to tap on the city option on the bottom side of the screen. Once you do it you will see this menu in the city option. So all you have to do is to go to the premium store. Once you go into the premium store, all you have to do is to tap on the AI avatar. So once you tap on the AI avatar, you will see this pieces. So here it says that 10 pieces, create your own avatar from photos, 10 pieces cost you this much. So it will cost me 499 stars. So all I have to do is to tap on it. So currently I don't have the balance or for the stars right now, but if you have the balance you can simply tap on it and you will see these options once you upload the photo. So once you will upload the photo you will see your custom made avatar. So that's pretty much simple. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.